Welcome back to the BSN channel. I'm accompanied with my mother, Abina. Greetings, Mum.
Hello.
It's weird. I meant no disrespect by calling you Abina.
Ma Abna. You don't say Abna.
Ma Abina.
Yeah, Mami Abna.
Today's video is called Akuko Wonkwa Ejro, which is a foul-possessed, life-giving medicine. I don't want to say that. It's a hen that has life-giving medicine. And we're going to get into that. But I want my mother to pronounce it properly. My dialect is not there. So it's Akuko Wonkwa Ejro.
Yeah, Akuko Wonkwa Ewedrum.
So let me say the proverb.
Akuko Wonkwa Ewedrum wana. That's what we are going to discuss.
So it says in this proverb, if a hen, by the way, I forgot to mention this is Okomfo Proverbs. There's many proverbs. I just want to categorize them. If a hen has life-giving medicine, would it be taken and sacrificed over spirits? That's a question. Time for the tree. This should be fun for you, Mum. Akuko wonkwa ejrowa anka yedi nutra abusumswo.
Yeah, meaning Akuko wo enkwa ewo edromu a enka yemfani ntwa abosomfo so because abosomfo tembia omkaso fa. For example, if you are not well and then you go and see obosom or fetish priest, they normally say bring one chicken or red or yellow or whatever. So why? Because they're using that to try and heal you or ask from your from his God to like pouring libation on it using the blood, kill the chicken and then pour the blood on the altar just to heal you. So that's why the proverb is the meaning of it.
It's actually a question as well.
Yeah, it is a question. It's Akuko wo enkwa wo edromu a. Why the fetish priest is using it to try and kill you or kill individual people. So it's a big very harder question there.
Yeah, because when you ask if a hen has life-giving medicine, would it be taken and sacrificed over spirits? The answer is yes. It's like an obvious question. The hardest part for this, for me, is why is it a question? Meaning my ancestors were very sarcastic.
Yes.
Like that's why when they said Anka Yadi Nutra Nuswa.
Okay,
Like would you sacrifice over them?
Yeah.
Or over it?
Yeah.
Or you can say Tra Abusum Swa. So over the fetishes, which is the spirits.
Well, the question is answered by itself anyway, because I'll give you one example quickly. Is there's a couple of people that I've heard that when they've got broken legs, when they go to see a fetish priest for herbal medicine, like traditional medicine, what they would normally do is they will ask them, can you bring one fowl or chicken so we can sort of try and give you a healing medicine. But using one chicken is not a dead chicken, live chicken. So what they would do is they won't kill it. If it's a leg that is broken that you went there, they will break that chicken leg. The same position if it's an ankle side or if it's the knee, they will break it. When they break it, at the same time, the medicine they are using to tie your leg, they will tie the chicken leg as well. So the same medicine will be tied on the chicken leg. When they do that, they will give you like a week or a couple of days to see. But then you are gone back home, wherever you came from. So this chicken will be with the man who is giving you the treatment. So the moment the chicken start running without limping, then they will know exactly that has happened. if the chicken don't get well quickly enough, then the person who is taking care of you will notice that you are not well. You have not been healed yet. But the moment the chickens start running around and feeling good, no limping, which means you've been healed. You might not even been, sending any message to the man. But spiritually, the man will know exactly what is going on in your life. Then.
For me, I could be wrong, but for me personally,
people believe it, and that's
it's like a form of spiritual bargaining that manifests in healing of this physical world.
That's it. Yeah.
Is that true?
I understand.
Or
that's the right one.
Or like a spiritual measuring.
To balance it.
But obviously, you're not going to use another human to do this.
No, to do sacrifice.
No. So a fowl seems like a decent animal.
It's true.
In a sense. That's my outtake for it. So this is used for life. Life comes in the form of a spirit. So I don't know what's happening in the spiritual eye or the third eye, whichever. But it seems like you're losing your spirit. You're dying. So the only thing that can save you is something that has a spirit. That's why it's very sarcastic the way it says nkyerekyeremu mmebusem. It's like, well, Akan meaning wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Wouldn't you take and sacrifice over the altar for these the images or the spirits? Answer is yes, but it's posing a question at you.
Well, let other people give their view. It would be nice.
I would love to see in the comments. If people have stories, maybe your parents told you stories. Please contribute to the conversation. We're all learning because we don't want to lose this knowledge. Doesn't mean we follow it. I don't worship in that way, but I have so much respect because the more I read, the more I speak to my uncles about this, I realize there's a wealth of knowledge. The fact that you can even imply us being uncivilized is insanity to me, because when you read the Proverbs of the Akan people, it's so deep. But if you're not spiritual, it just seems like you're just talking about the Jungle Book. And it's not like that. Every animal has its own traits, and it's mentioned for a reason. And maybe one day someone in the comments can tell us why a fowl specifically is used. Why does it have to be a hen? Why can't it be a goat? Is a goat used for something specific? So
I think it's the and it could be a cheaper version.
It could,
it could be. It could be cheap.
And they're easy to take.
Yeah.
If you can chase them. So we'll leave this here. If you like, please like. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe if you haven't already. Until then, peace.